Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two popular Oral-B IO brush heads, the Gentle Care and the Ultimate Clean. If you've been wondering which one is right for you, stick around because we're breaking it all down for you. Gentle Care lives up to its name. It caters to those with sensitive gums or teeth. Imagine a brush so soft, it glides over your gums, effectively cleaning without causing irritation. For those seeking a deeper clean, Ultimate Clean is the answer. This brush head embodies Oral-B's commitment to powerful cleaning technology. It tackles plaque with precision, leaving your mouth feeling truly refreshed. The magic lies in the combination of crisscross bristles and a specialized power tip. The crisscross bristles effectively reach deep between teeth. The power tip focuses cleaning on hard-to-reach areas. Oral-B invests heavily in research and development. This dedication is evident in the design of their IO brush heads. Both Gentle Care and Ultimate Clean utilize advanced bristle technology. These are not your ordinary nylon bristles. Oral-B IO bristles are designed to gently oscillate, rotate, and pulsate. This unique motion effectively breaks up plaque and sweeps it away. The result is a superior clean, regardless of which brush head you choose. Gentle Care, a balm for sensitive smiles. Do you experience gum sensitivity? Are your teeth prone to irritation? If so, Gentle Care is your ideal brushing companion. Its ultra-soft bristles provide a delicate touch, preventing further irritation. This gentle approach does not compromise cleaning efficacy. Gentle Care effectively removes plaque and debris, promoting optimal gum health without causing discomfort. It's the perfect balance of softness and effectiveness. Ultimate Clean, conquering plaque with precision. For those who prioritize a deep, invigorating clean, Ultimate Clean reigns supreme. Its specialized bristle design targets plaque in even the most challenging areas. The crisscross bristles work tirelessly, reaching deep between teeth and along the gum line. The power tip provides focused cleaning for those hard-to-reach back molars. Experience the confidence of knowing your mouth is truly clean. Please subscribe for more content like this. Section 7. Choosing your perfect match. Gentle Care or Ultimate Clean? This is a question many face when selecting the right brush head for their Oral-B IO toothbrush. Each option offers unique benefits tailored to different oral care needs. The choice between Gentle Care and Ultimate Clean depends on your individual needs. Are you looking for a brush head that provides a gentle touch, or do you need something that offers a more rigorous clean? For sensitive mouths, Gentle Care provides a soothing yet effective clean. It's designed to be gentle on gums while still removing plaque and debris, making it perfect for those with sensitive teeth or gum issues. For those seeking a deep clean and plaque removal, Ultimate Clean is the ideal choice. This brush head is engineered to reach deeper into the crevices of your teeth, ensuring a thorough clean that leaves your mouth feeling fresh and invigorated. Consider your dental history and preferences. If you have a history of gum disease or sensitive teeth, Gentle Care might be the better option. On the other hand, if you frequently deal with plaque buildup, Ultimate Clean could be more suitable. Consult your dentist or dental hygienist for personalized recommendations. They can provide insights based on your specific dental health needs and help you make an informed decision. The right brush head can significantly impact your oral health journey. Whether you choose gentle care or ultimate clean, selecting the appropriate brush head ensures you maintain optimal oral hygiene and keep your smile bright and healthy. Section 9. Join the Oral BIO community, share your smile story. Have you experienced the transformative power of Oral BIO? We'd love to hear from you. Share your experience with Gentle Care or Ultimate Clean in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable. It helps others make informed decisions about their oral care. Together, let's create a community that prioritizes healthy, happy smiles. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this.